Hey guys, this is Candy. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in a special way. Yes, hope you hit the subscribe button as you're at it, and if you're a return viewer, welcome back. So today guys, I'm uber excited because we are doing, of course, my favorite braid style, which is crochet, but I am doing somewhat of a new look for you guys. Yeah, I don't remember ever doing one of these on the channel, and so that is exciting for me. I'm doing a blown out look. Yes, a natural blown out crochet look. Aren't you excited? I'm super excited. So of course we already know that the crochet process is going to start off with our foundation, yes, which is the braid pattern. For today's braid pattern, I am simply doing in the front section the braids going back, and then I am going to be parting off, as you see me doing right now, the section in order to do a beehive. Right, so that is my braid pattern of choice. It is not mandatory. You can do whatever braid pattern suits your style, or you find easier. Why I'm doing this beehive braid pattern is because I'm going to be actually doing the knotless method, the invisible method, for the area around the perimeter of the head. And so if she chooses to pull the hair up in a ponytail, it will kind of look seamless, and you will not be able to see the cornrows, nor will you be seeing the knots. So that is what we're doing now, finishing up the braid pattern for the foundation to be all set and ready. All right, so pretty much for the beehive, you're just gonna go all the way around in one circle, and then you transition into another row, continue the circle, and you keep parting and parting until you're left pretty much with just one piece of hair, which I refer to as the tail. So once the tail of the braid is done, yeah, you braid it all the way to the end, so you're left with one piece of hair like magic. And then we're just gonna tuck that underneath the braid using the crochet tool. All right, yeah, so once we're done with that, then we're gonna go in and of course nourish her scalp with my Shine of Mine Nourishing Oil Blend from my brand One True Natural. Shameless plug, check it out. I will leave the link down below. Yes, keeps the scalp nice and nourished. So we're using the model Silky braiding hair. Yes, regular conical and braiding hair, and I'm starting off the installation process. And like I mentioned before, for the knotless method, we're going to just pull one piece of the hair through the loop instead of both pieces, and that will give you that coverage that you need for the cornrows to be totally covered once you have installed the hair. So yeah, so once you insert the crochet tool, you attach the hair, pull it through. You're going to just pull one piece through and knot it, and you are good to go. Yeah, and you guys can definitely see, yeah, that there is some coverage building. I'm gonna just continue to install, going all the way across and up to the sides where her ear is. And yeah, this is how it looks. You can see the coverage going on. So yeah, so the hair that I mentioned before, I used from Model is their Conical Silky hair, and I did use 4 packs. Yes, 4 packs is how much I used to achieve this look. It didn't have a length on the bag, but I would want to say that it looks maybe like a 52-inch in my humble opinion. So let's assume it's that, but you can use whatever length you want. We did go ahead and look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we did go ahead and cut the hair, so it really doesn't matter. So for the middle part now, the regular crochet install method is fine. There's no need to do that knotless method for the entire thing. Only in the areas where your hair will be exposed. For the middle, it won't be exposed. So I'm just doing my regular schmegular crochet install, which is to attach the hair, pull both pieces through, knot it twice, and tighten. Simple does it. And yeah, we're continuing. So back to the hair now. I did end up cutting the hair. The ideal thing to do if you want the hair to be nice and tapered at the ends is to get the exact length that you want. That way you have the nice feathered ends and you don't have to cut it, right? But yeah, we did end up cutting this hair. Now the hair was not tangling at all. Once I was interacting with the hair, installing it, I did not, get any tangling, of such. So that is good. So now we're at the point now where I'm going to be doing the partings, the invisible parts. So I'm doing 3 parts. 2 side parts and a middle part. So right now I'm working on the part on her left side, and it's the same principle as mentioned before when I was doing the back section, that the hair ends up covering the braid, so it looks as if it's actually growing out of your scalp. And what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 tiny pieces, one from either side, and I'm just creating a knot so that the hair doesn't end up slipping out. You understand me? So this is just another fail-safe technique to make sure that your hair is firm and in place. In case you need to comb it out or brush it out, it's not going to slip at all. So one more time, yeah, I'm inserting the crochet tool from outside of the braid to the inside, attach, pull it through. Now I'm feeding only one piece through the loop twice to create that knot, and then I tighten, flip it over like so, and then I take a tiny piece. Well, yeah, we're doing the test to make sure that it is nice and covered. Then I'm taking the tiny piece from each side, knotting that, and yeah, and you guys already are able to tell that it is giving that invisible look, which is the idea. So yeah, we're done with that parting, and once we're done, we're gonna just move over to creating the middle invisible part and then the right, and then everything will be all set and ready to go. But yeah, we are done with installation. So now I'm going ahead and just combing through the hair a little bit, and using a warm blow dryer, I am lightly straightening the hair some more, just to make it more light and give it more of a blown out look. I did already go ahead and cut some of the hair off, so it is now more of a mid-back length. So she's wearing the middle part today. You can see how nice and natural the middle part looks, and the texture of this hair is spot on. It looks actually like lightly blown out natural hair in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know if you think the texture of the hair is good. Would you guys rock it, or it's a no for you? But I love it. It actually is nice, and I said before, the hair is not tangling. It didn't give me any issues to brush through or comb through. Look at the back. Yes, so if you want to put in a ponytail, you're good to go. The volume is good, guys. Guys, the hair is just giving, if you ask me. All right, so yeah, this is the outcome. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for rocking with Natural Hair Dynamics. I do see you guys supporting and repping for my channel, and I appreciate it. So yeah, stay tuned, and again, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and we'll talk on my next one. Bye.